RV Life Trip Wizard is an excellent tool to find campgrounds and state parks, but it can also help you find other locations as well as adding it to your trip and planning it as well. RV Life Trip Wizard makes it easy to plan RV-safe routes. Using a basic web browser, you're able to locate over 20,000 campgrounds with real reviews and over 57,000 points of interest, including fueling stations. Save time planning your next trip with RV Life Trip Wizard by scanning the QR code on the screen or click my affiliate link in the description box of this video. Thank you, RV Life Trip Wizard, for sponsoring this video. In this example, we are looking for a Target in Fremont, California. Using the search feature in RV Life Trip Wizard makes finding locations extremely easy. Here you can see the street view being used and Target has been verified. From here, we can create a custom stop where we will name the stop Target near Fremont, California. And we're just going to drop this in the other category just to keep everything a little more organized. We're going to add this custom stop and we're going to verify that it has been added to RV Life Trip Wizard. For our next stop, why don't we find a Denny's to have a little bite to eat. This is near Fremont, California as well. Just to make double sure, we are going to drop a street view look and verify that this is in fact Denny's. And it is in fact Denny's. So we're going to create a custom stop here. Again, naming the location name Denny's near Fremont, California. Make sure to add that apostrophe. Again, we're going to drop this in the other category and we're going to specify that this is a food place. Take off that one night. Now we're moving right along. Pay attention to the side. It even tells you your travel day elevation. Now that we've had our stop number 2 added, why don't we find a place to camp for the night? From here, we are just going to add it straight from RV Life Trip Wizard's map interface and add 2 nights to that stop. Even gives us that little caution to pay attention to the elevation. You should always consider food and fuel stops just as important as the campground you're driving to. With that being said, it is time to find a fuel station. All you type in is fuel station and it brings up a few results. Here is a Shell station. We're gonna pop in with Street View real fast and see that this is a Shell station, and it even tells you the star rating. We're gonna add this as a fuel station, no nights here, and thank you for watching. Add this custom stop, moving right along. You can see that our trip has really panned out. Moving back to the main page, you can see that there is $0. That is because we have not picked what vehicle we are using. Heading into Trip Tools and Trip Settings, under RV Info, we will select our RV. Save and continue, and we're gonna head down to Expenses, to the average cost per gallon, and key in the average cost per gallon, which in this example is $5. And now we have a $7.65 expense for this trip. RV Life Trip Wizard is an extremely versatile tool that can help you whether you own an RV or not. Well, that's going to do it for this video, and if you got any value out of it, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.